The business world is vast, with many career path options. That's why Summer Discovery's business, leadership, and entrepreneurship offering is so diverse. With more than 30 courses to choose from, students can easily focus on their specific areas of interest. Courses in business, leadership, and entrepreneurship are available at many Summer Discovery campuses, including UCLA, UCLA Anderson, UC Berkeley, UT Austin, Michigan, Georgetown, Dartmouth, Vanderbilt, Cornell, and more. Summer Discovery's business courses cover a range of options to suit the ambitions of today's aspiring business leaders. From foundations of leadership, effective management, economics, corporate or personal finance and investment, entrepreneurship, and more specialized categories, including marketing and advertising, social media, and the business of entertainment, media, and sports. Courses are led by experienced educators and industry experts, offering engaging, hands-on learning. They participate in case studies, business plan creation, and workshops, with field trips to Fortune 500 companies like Netflix, Warner Brothers, and Sony, as well as visits to the U.S. Capitol and Dodger Stadium for real-world exposure. Many programs culminate with students developing business plans, perfecting their elevator pitch in addition, or presenting their capstone project on new product concepts or ideas for solving a key business challenge, presented in front of a panel of expert judges. Summer Discovery business programs empower students to turn their ideas into actionable business strategies in the real world. This summer, find the business career path that's right for you and experience the independence of campus life at a top-tier university. Learn more at summerdiscovery.com.